welcome to all of you here. We'd like to welcome you all to the press meet of Ram Culture in association with Blue House presents the Season 5 6-Yard Couture. The 6-Yard Couture, as you all know, ladies and gentlemen, is the South India's prominent sari and jewelry show, and we have successfully completed 4+ years in different venues every year, annually. But however, all that due to pandemic, we suffered a lot. It was just not an easy task to make it happen. But we still thought that we should go ahead and do this. And with a lot of difficulty, it was very difficult to have live audience, of course. But we kept the Chennai spirit going, and we successfully took it over to a virtual platform, and thereby we had a blast of a fashion show that we had with the brilliant designers exclusively lined up from Chennai. So we had the brilliant designers such as Sanyukta Shri and Jayasudha, who showcased their sari collections at 6YC Season 5. And at this juncture, we'd definitely like to thank all our wonderful event associates who have made this happen. Without their support, this would have just not been possible. So we'd like to take this time and thank them one by one. So maybe you can even applaud them when we do that. So please put your hands together for Blue House and Meadows Lane, our event associate, Drizzle Resto Bar launch partner. Please give them a big hand as well. We're sitting here enjoying their ambience. Well, we'd like to thank GS Media and Events for being a wonderful media partner, Provoke, a magazine partner, Volt Style Bar, a luxury saloon partner, Click Art, a photography partner, Copper Ants, digital marketing partner, and Synchronize, our event management. So thanks a lot to all of them. Can we give them a nice collective applause, please, for making this happen? Thank you very, very much. Well, here is the time that I and I'm sure you're all looking forward to, because it's time to have our event associates, our, the main people, the pillar of the success for this wonderful event to have happened, to talk to us. So without any further ado, let me invite the first lovely lady over here. So I'm going to be talking about this beautiful, gorgeous lady dressed in black. So she's going to be talking to us. Well, she is none other than the owner of the beautiful beach-facing, luxurious villa, the Blue House ECR at Akkarai. I'm sure you've definitely not missed its beauty when you pass by it. And also the modern luxury cottage, the Meadow Lane ECR. Also, big time, she is a globe-trotting entrepreneur with more than 20+ experiences in different fields. She has been successful in many commercial ventures. So ladies and gentlemen, please give it up for Rafika Nishtar. And thanks for Mr. Nishtar to have joined us at this wonderful occasion. Please give her a big hand. Let us invite her to address the gathering now. Over to you, ma'am.
As you said, I am Rafika Nishtar and we run Blue House and Meadow Lane. Me and my husband, we are married for 25 years, and we actually lived in US for some time, and now we are here in Chennai. That was actually our home, and now I have converted it as a beach wedding destination. So mostly we just cater to the customers with every personal touch. We just take care of the decor, catering, everything. We do it in a way that we make their moment really special, wedding, sangeet, whatever the occasion. That's our main business in the Blue House. And I'm very happy and to associate it with the 6-Yard Couture, Mr. Ganesh, that I wish him all success. And it's really a pleasure to be here, and thank you all.
And I would now like to invite the next lovely lady sitting just besides her. Now, we're all here at this wonderful venue, and we can't wait to have the managing director of Drizzle Resto Bar to address us. Well, Drizzle has been a wonderful spot by the beach. We all know that. We pass by here. This is one-stop shop for all kinds of fun, entertainment, and also food at affordable pricing. So it's all there under one roof. We could clearly see that. Well, also, this place is very popular amongst kids and families across Chennai. And as a brand, Drizzle have been in India for the last 10+ years, over a decade, and overall about 20+ years worldwide. So let us invite Sona Prakash to...
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. And thank you very much for being associated with us, Ganesh. I would like to take that as my first thank you note. And I'm really very touched being on the platform with such eminent people. And talking about our association with Ramp Culture, it's definitely fun to be in fashion, and especially being a fancy place, it's always good to be associated with fashion. And some of the models are definitely known to us for some time now. So it's a pleasure having you all here. Talking about Drizzle, it's a travel for us. We are still evolving as a place and as a property. And more to explore, more to come, fun things. And our idea of having Drizzle especially was to cater to people for fun and for food at an affordable price, as she has already mentioned. But usually here you get it all only in star hotels, and you think of it only once a month probably, or once in 3 months. So the idea of having Drizzle is that you could afford fun and food every day. And thank you again, everybody, and hope you all have a good time, and hope you go look around the property, and if you feel like partying, you're most welcome too. Thank you.
The founder of Seven Creations and professional fashion designer, ladies and gentlemen, a specialist in wedding outfits and the owner of his own label, Seven Creations. Ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together for Mr. Syed Sahib. Let us invite the gentleman also to talk to us about his experience and his association with us.
Myself, Syed Shahid. I established the label Seven Creations 9 years before. It's on 2012, and slowly we developed designs regarding like wedding collections as well as festive collections for men's. We started a show like with Ganesh Gurung through FAT. Like FAT was my first fashion show through Ganesh, and also we engaged with him with his second Men's Couture season 4, I believe, for the virtual fashion show. And then I'm really honored to be one of the panel guests of his show going to be held now. So I thank everybody, whoever have applauded and whoever have come here. And also I would like to thank Ganesh for giving me this opportunity to speak in front of you all. Thank you so much.
Ladies and gentlemen, it's time to invite the main man, the man behind the show, himself, Mr. Ganesh Gurung, the event organizer and producer of 6 Yard Couture. So please give it up to the man in black, and let's invite him. Okay, so just after, okay, a man of chivalry, totally indeed, isn't it? So let's have Mr. Nishta to please address the gathering, say a few words with us.
Hi, good evening all. Thank you, Ganesh, for associating with us. It was a pleasure hosting you all there, and we look forward to many more events to be associated in future. And just a little brief, we are trying to bring a lot of new concept properties in Chennai. So the two properties, what she mentioned, the Blue House and Madeleine. Madeleine is a totally new concept. It's like a prefab cottage, which was totally done in 60 days, start to finish, the whole thing. In fact, we did it during the lockdown time, and it was up and running last September onwards. And we have a lot of traction for that business. In fact, last week for the Valentine's Day, they had a shoot, I think one of the Vijay TV, they had a Valentine's Day song, fully shot there, and it was, in day one itself, they had more than 1 million views of that. I think it was a super hit, they say. And so it's kind of a preferred destination for weddings, photo shoots, family gatherings, corporate events like that. Apart from that, we associate with 2 more properties in Mahabalipuram. One is called, I'm sure most of you would have heard it, it's called Ivy Villa. It's kind of a Bali style venture we brought to Chennai, totally new concept. I urge all you all to check it out. And the other one is Mana Villa. Those both properties are right next to the Chariot Resort in Mahabalipuram. It's secluded in about 40 acres right at the beach. And so it's a totally new experience. And next time maybe Ganesh can check it out. And thank you all again, and wish you all the best, Ganesh.
Let's have Mr. Ganesh Gurung address the gathering. Please give a big round of applause.
So first of all, let me thank my event associate, Blue House and Meadow Lane, and thanks to Mr. and Mrs. Nishta and it's a very lovely property, and you can call a mini Goa in Chennai. So thanks for associating. And these are very difficult, troubled times with the pandemic. We had a very difficult time in organizing, getting sponsors and associates, and I should really thank overwhelmingly all my associates and sponsors who have encouraged us. And I should also mention Drizzle and Madam Sona Prakash, and the food is just outstanding. And when we had about for 2 days, and we had a very nice time. And thank you, ma'am, and it's been a pleasure that we could have you on board. And another thing is Mr. Syed Shahid. He's a quite prominent designer, and after all, I'm wearing his suit. This is done by him only. So and we've been working for the last 2 years. So he's someone who has to be checked out, and for the men's collections. And I would also like to mention all my other associates, Copper Ants, and let me take names because she didn't take the name. So Jeevita Venkatram. So I should really thank her, MD Copper Ants. And Click Art Studio, Mr. Kannan is a photography partner. Thank you, Kannan, so much. I would like to come here for this one. And he is Mr. Kannan. Thank you, Kannan. Thank you so much. And then we have GS Media Events, Mr. Guru Saran. Guru, can you please just come? And he's been associating with us for quite some time, and he's been taking care of all our press and media coverage. And he was also part of Men's Couture, and now 6xC as well. And then I would also like to thank Boost Talks, Mr. Paul, and they were our liquor partner, and Provoke magazine lifestyle partners, and then Synchronize. And thank you once and for all. And it's been real pleasure associating with you people. And I also take this opportunity to thank my designers for both 6 Yard Couture, Jaya and Sanyutta, and of course my lovely models. And I know they have actually helped a lot during considering pandemic, and we were having great difficulty in organizing funds. And they've been very considerate, coming much below their market level, and I really thank them for all. And that's about it. And hopefully, people who believe in our style of fashion, thank you so much. And I also like to thank Nisha Marimuthu, and she also is a model. I don't know how many people know that. She also is a model and MC, and thank you so much.
Hi everyone, good evening. This is Mujahid. I have my own label called Meraki, and I want to say all praises to Allah and for his endless miracles. And I would like to thank Mr. Ganesh for giving me this opportunity to do this. I would like to thank my dad, and especially my Meraki and team who work with me, especially my suit makers and masters and everyone. And also I would like to thank the models. So அவங்க தான் வந்து அதை நல்லா வந்து என்னோட டிசைன்ஸை ஷோகேஸ் பண்ணாங்க. ஸோ தேங்க்யூ ஆல் த மேல் மாடல்ஸ். அதுக்கப்புறமா எனிதிங் என்னை பற்றி சொல்லணுன்னா வந்து நான் வந்து ஒரு இன்ஜினியரிங் டிஸ்கண்டினியூட், பட் என் பேஷனை நான் ஃபாலோ பண்ணுறதுனால ஐ டிட் ஃபேஷன் அண்ட் ஐ எம் டூயிங் இட் நவ், அண்ட் தட்ஸ் வை ஐம் ஹியர் நவ். ஸோ என்ன சொல்லணுன்னா, do what you love, so and what makes you happy. Thank you.
So I would just like to add Mr. Mujahid, he comes from a family of designers, and his father himself has been a designer, and he's been associated with the film industry, and in fact he has done clothes for stars like Rajinikanth, and he's carrying the lineage, and the collections which he had displayed during Men's Couture Chennai is very commendable, and we've been hearing much about it. And I really thank Mujahid to have come today and accepted the memento, and I also thank him for taking part in it.
I'm Sophia on behalf of Jeevita. Jeevita runs a firm called Copperans, and we are into website development, app development, and as well as digital marketing. And I thank Mr. Ganesh Gurum for giving us this opportunity to be associated with you. Thank you.
Good evening, everyone. Nice meeting you, everyone. I am really thankful to Ganesh Gurung for giving this opportunity for past 2 years for more events which are associated with him. I am really thankful to everyone for that. I am really thankful.
The first time I'm working with him. That was a wonderful experience we had. I would like to thank all my models for that. They did a good job on that day. And thank you all.
Mr. Ganesh for giving me this opportunity. It's my third time that I'm working with him. It's been a decade that I worked last, and it was a wonderful experience for me. And I would like to thank my lovely models who carried my designs, and I'm sure that everybody liked my designs. I thank you, everybody.
I would request everybody to tag my event associate, my restaurant launch partner Drizzle, and Meadows Lane, Blue House, and all my other associates when you share the pictures. So kindly please do. If people forget this, so especially models, please don't forget. Tag everyone. Let's work together. Thank you so much for coming.
Once again, we'd like to thank all of you for being here today. Thank you, media and friends from the press, for joining us here. Thank you very much. Please spread the word. Thank you once again for joining us. Have a lovely evening. This is Nisha saying tata, bye-bye. See you.